Slow charging after the Android 17 update. Whether your phone is charging very slowly or fast charging isn't working, I will show you the most effective fixes and hopefully one of them will get your phone charging fast again. First, if you're using a Samsung phone, open Settings, tap Battery, and make sure fast charging is turned on from here. If you use a wireless charger, enable fast wireless charging as well. If you're using a non-Samsung Android phone and if you do not have this option, just make sure you are using a charger that supports fast charging. A 30-watt or higher charger is recommended if your phone supports it. For example, when I plug my phone into a PD20-watt charger, it charges at a normal speed. But when I use a PD65-watt charger with a compatible cable, you can see it charges much faster. Also, make sure you are using a good quality charging cable. A damaged or low quality cable can slow down charging even if you're using a fast charger. Next, check your phone's charging port. If you notice any dust or debris inside, use a soft air blower to gently clean it. Don't insert anything into the port or apply pressure, as that could damage the charging pins. And if you're still experiencing slow charging after the Android 17 update, it's almost likely a software bug. In that case, there's not much you can do except wait for the next software update, which may include a fix. And hopefully one of the solution fix your issue. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9 till end.